Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency in Phantom Wallet. When you use Phantom Wallet, your crypto balances like SOL or tokens are shown in a default currency, usually USD, but if you prefer seeing your portfolio value in another currency like AUR, Phantom allows you to easily change it. This is especially helpful for tracking your portfolio in a way that feels more familiar and relevant to you. It's important to understand that changing the currency does not affect your crypto holding. So first, open your Phantom Wallet on your device, and you can open it with a password or your Face ID. And once you get into this interface of your Phantom Wallet, in the top left there's your profile icon. There, tap on the profile icon. Under this profile icon, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings. Under the setting, you can simply tap on the preferences below, and over here at the top you can find there's an option for the currency. There you can select to this currency and you can select your preference currency. Once selected, your wallet balance will instantly update to the short balance in the currency. And that is it. If you're tracking your profits, stick to one currency to avoid confusion from exchange rate changes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.